Alright, so this is something I had been working on for a while and then put it on the shelf, try some other stuff. Got your arms, body, sword, footstep sounds, little dash, forward and back. Nice looking sky. And then when you come in here, activates. Destroy the generators. And so when you kill the enemies, they come back. After a few seconds. Unless you destroy the So, I mean, it's kind of cool for basic setup. It's neat for mowing down enemies, depending on the location, type. Whatever. But in order for the sword to trigger a hit, it's got distance check and a velocity check. But yeah, he's in the middle of an attack. No, you have to get a little momentum going, but you can knock him down. Like that. But it doesn't always work. Yeah, so it has a speed check, a distance check, and like a half-second cooldown between hits.